Hello lovelies, so today I got PI from Lorealistar, so I can't show you this part. Hang on, can I just take, yeah, that's fine. Take the address off, so that's fine. So let's go through it. So this is my Lorealistar Rising Star bundle. When you're in the community, you have to do certain tasks, and then you reach, I think it's when you get to 200 points or maybe 250. I think it's 200 though. When you reach to a certain point, you get a bundle. Now I've been waiting quite a while for this bundle to come to me, but they did actually reach out and say, it's on its way, don't worry. And I have had things in between, so let me show you what they sent me. Now everyone's bundle seems to be different. I suppose it's just what they've got in stock at the time. So Lorealistar by Lorèal, and then we'll read this. So Lorealistar by Lorèal, congrats on reaching Rising Star status. You have unlocked access to be the first in line to try the hottest beauty products from our amazing brands. In this box, you'll find a selection of some of our best sellers. Make sure to check back in on the community to take part in your exclusive Rising Star Bundle mission. Keep creating awesome content to earn more points and rewards. This is your time to shine. Just make sure to hashtag Lorealistar UK so we can see your incredible content. Love the Lorealistar UK team. XOXO. So I got that. They did send something else out. I think they're sending this out because they're noticing a lot of people are selling products. Like the products that they get in PR, they're selling it, which I just think is completely wrong. And it says these products are provided to you on a complimentary, not for sale basis, and there is, of course, no obligation on you to review or post about them. But if you do decide to review or post about these products / brands, please do honestly, whether positive, neutral, negative, and transparently, by using ad upfront as well as the social platforms inbuilt disclosure tool. And it says a little bit more down here, but let's not get into that because we're wasting time. Right, so the first thing I got, I've not even seen these. So these are the new Cereve, developed with dermatologists, blemish barrier patches. In just one use, it reduces the appearance of blemishes and redness, absorbs excess oil, helps prevent picking to reduce risk of post-blemish marks, suitable for sensitive skin. I am looking forward to trying that next time I get a spot. I don't get spots, blemishes a lot, but it's nice to have in. And I never buy them for myself. Apparently you could get 22 in here. I mean, really, I could give these to my niece. It does say on the website for Lorealistar you can give them to friends and family, but yeah, she gets spots more than I do. But I mean, do you get more than one patch? No, it's just one, I think. So they come like that, which you can't really see. There's a bit of a glare, isn't there? I am really excited about trying this. I have wanted to try La Roche Posay for such a long time, but it is just so expensive. I've not necessarily wanted to try this product. Let me know if you've tried it. So this is the Dermo Cleanser, cleansing and makeup removal fluid for face and eyes. It's nice that it's a makeup remover as well, so I'll probably use that soon and give you my thoughts on it. Then I got, sorry, not we got the Maybeline Grippy Serum Primer. Now I know a lot of people that have tried this, so it looks like that. Why can't I say Grippy? And they've just brought out the Grippy setting spray as well. I would love to try that. I think I'll buy it now that I've got the serum. Now, I never really wanted to try this, to be honest. I've just never been interested in it. I don't use Grippy serums a lot, but I've heard great things by it. So, yeah, we'll be using this. We have also got another makeup product here. I've not tried any of these. I think these are relatively new on the market, aren't they? So this one is the NYX Professional Makeup Lip. I think it's Lip 5 Hydrating Gloss Serum. It's a pretty dark colour, but I do like dark colours. And it's supposed to be like, what does it say? Hydrating Gloss Serum. How dark is it? Oh my gosh, it's pretty dark. But how transparent is it? No, it's not transparent at all. I do like my reds though, so we'll see how that is. Right, I did get a hair mask. I love these hair masks, but I've got quite a few hair masks. I am going to keep it. This one smells of banana. I've never tried the banana one, but I was opening these products at my mum's and oh my gosh, guys, it smells so good. So yeah, I'm really looking forward to trying that. And then one more product. I've never tried this either. This L'Oreal Paris Revitalift filler, hyaluronic replumping water cream, plump and locking moisture, and this is good for when you're wearing false nails. You don't have to dig into the cream; it just pumps out what you need. I mean, I've got something from Primark which is very similar. So yeah, I wanna try this really soon. And what does this say about it? I think it's for the more mature woman because it does say plumping, locking, moisture, minus 38% lines. It's got hyaluronic acid in it, ceramides, niacinamide, and glycerin. I'll talk more about that when I actually put the cream on, but yeah, it tells you everything here. And that is everything that they sent me. I think it was 5 items in total. I feel really lucky to have these items. And let me know if you've tried any of it, and let me know your thoughts on it. And I'll see you in the next one, guys. Bye.